A few suggestions on communication that can uplift your interaction with other people. Instead of saying sorry to bother you, say I have a question for you. Could you spare me a couple of minutes? This shows respect and confidence. You must replace goodbye with see you to keep the connection alive. And instead of saying I like it, say it's pleasant to express genuine appreciation. When you listen to someone, don't say tell me, but rather I'm listening, which shows openness and attentiveness. And switch you go first with after you to demonstrate courtesy. Rather than saying you're welcome, say my pleasure, adding warmth to your response. Use be quiet instead of shut up to maintain respect. And when you are not sure, don't say I don't know, but let me find out, showing your willingness to learn and help. Replace I think with I believe to convey conviction and confidence. By making these subtle changes, you'll enhance your charisma and master the art of positive psychology, which will elevate your interactions and leave a lasting, uplifting impression on everyone you meet. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you find value, do like, share, and follow. Peace.